Hello guys, hi, this is Syed Bakram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to Data Science for Everyone channel. Let's get started as we're covering the Excel series. So today I'm going to share you regarding customizing the access toolbar as like quick access toolbar. So let's see how we can do that. And you can see all over here, I'm just marking out the things. And you could see this is what the quick access toolbar looks like. This is a quick access toolbar. And let's see what we can do over here. See, this is what the things looks like, and if I do over here customize quick actions toolbar, you can able to see you can add a new over here, save as. If I tell you the example, if I want to do quick print, just need to add this, double click over here, you could see there is an icon of quick print, and you can over here click on it and you will get the quick print. If you don't want to do this, then you need to go to the file, then you need to go to the options, then in that you will be having the print, or else over here you have the print option. That takes the time, then over here click on that. Then again, if you want to have some more commands, you have to know spellings. You can see over here you got the spellings over here. Again, if you want to go to spelling, then you need to go to the page format, or else home session, you have the spelling session. So different things you can do over here. Quick access overall, here itself you can do that, and that's all you can do over here. And you can do more option on the, like, you could do more content command. If I do this, click on this, you can see more commands, and this is what you can do. N number of things you can add. If I want to add some, you need to double click on it and you need to add it, and you can do OK, and see you can do, see quickly you can just do some of it, and you can just get the things, guys. That's it. And if you want anything more, you just need to go to the more command, then you can go anywhere. If you want to have cut option in the toolbar and itself, and you don't want to go into from here itself home page or some ribbon, and then you have to find things, then you need to just to add, and then okay, you could see over here you got the cut mark. And if you want anything like this one, you can cut this and then you can paste it. That's it. You can do each and everything. You can just get this, you need to click cut, and you can paste it. That's it, guys. So simple. So this is all about customizing quick access toolbar, and you can customize the things what you want quickly, you want to access that things. And if you don't want, same again, you have to go to more command in the quick access toolbar and click on the things, just remove the things. This is how you can do this. So simple. And then you can click on OK, and you could see how things get disappeared. The things you want, you can easily make the things over here as a quick access toolbar, and you can bring the things over here for printing, for doing the sums, of viewing the pages, ascending or descending orders, or for spellings. Each and everything you can go over here, and you can do over here as a quick access toolbar itself. That's it for the today's, guys, and I will be covering the next topic on the session. The topic will be more on like Excel interface, so let's see on that, and hope you got regarding the quick access toolbar. And thank you, have a great day, enjoy, bye bye.